Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am making a video which is something different, like how to wear Oxford shoes with different types of outfits. So without wasting more time, let's get started.
So in the first look, I am wearing a sea green sweat wrap dress and a transparent knit black top underneath the dress. I don't know why in camera the dress look like sky blue. Next look, I am creating a monochromatic look wearing black pleated satin skirt with lace top, and on waist I am wearing a black bum bag. The third look, I am wearing a pencil skirt with red t-shirt and added a belt just to accentuate the waist, wearing red parrot hat and some mixed gold silver junk jewelries, and here is the completed look. The fourth look, again I am creating a monochromatic look wearing a black velvet wrap dress with black Oxford shoes, wearing some golden accessories, and with that carrying a golden clutch, and the look is ready. Next, I am wearing a black leather pant with yellow polka dot wrap top which is in trend these days, and with that carrying a matching handbag and added some accessories with it, and the look is complete. In this look, I am wearing a black maxi dress and a brown Oxford shoes, adding gold silver mixed earrings, adding a bracelet on hand, just keeping it simple, and here is the completed look. Next, I am wearing a satin wrap polka dot dress with brown Oxford shoes and adding a golden earrings with it. Next, wearing a formal black pant with white t-shirt, wearing golden hoops, and added a watch matching with the hoops. I am wearing a mom jeans with the same lace top that I wore in the previous look, wearing golden accessories, and my monochrome look is ready. In the last look, I am wearing a maroon knitted dress, adding brown belt to accentuate the waist, a satin scarf on the bun, golden hoops, and black transparent leggings. Next, I am wearing a navy blue knitted dress with black Oxford shoes and matching hoops.